And here what we're gonna see is AI in Power BI. Excellent. Exactly, that's what we are going to see. So in Power BI, we are going to see some of the intelligence features, right? There are many, but few of them we will cover over here. If you want to learn more, you can just let me know into the comment section. I'll definitely try to make another videos. All right, just let's go ahead. And the first one which I'm going to show you, before that, let me show you the data. So this is the data which we have. Here you see the transaction date, city where the transaction happened, product line in which product segment the transaction happened, and what was the total bill amount on that particular day. You can ignore this column. All right, now I'm going to go on this and just let me just expand this. In the visuals, what I need to choose is first one which I'm going to show is Q&A. I mean, somewhere it is covered specifically as Q&A section, but I still consider it under I consider it under artificial intelligence. All right, so let's just open this, and what we're gonna see over here is these some suggestions. For example, if you want to ask these questions, you can simply click it and you'll get the answer. For example, let's see average total bill. What is the average total bill? All right, let's just see if what exactly it shows. Here is the average total bill. Right now, if you want to write your own question, that can also be done. So let me ask city with maximum total bill. City with maximum total bill. Let me ask this question, and you see what we get. This city has the maximum total bill. Okay, total bill is available in this particular city. Now next, let's say year with maximum total bill. So what is it that we are going to get? 2021. You see how intelligent it is. It is automatically creating, giving you the information what exactly you are looking for. And then if you see product line, total bill, let's just say total bill by product line. That's what I'm looking for, right? So you see over here, this is how you get it. Okay, now if you want to see it in form of matrix, you can say in matrix. Let's just say if that works. Here is what you got. It shows in matrix along with this conditional formatting. This is fantastic, isn't it? So this was the first feature. Next one which I'm going to show you is, let's say on this page we have the data plotted for 2022 only and for the entire month. This is the total bill for each of the month. Right now what you see over here is the October month, you have the lowest total sales, right, which you see is just 6,31,939. Now if you're working in the organization, you might be asked, why is this happening? What is the reason behind it? Right, so you don't have to spend a lot of time in investigating that. Simply click this, right click on that, and go in analyze and explain the decrease. As soon as you do this, here is what you get. Here it says, here is the analysis of the 35.49%. First of all, you would require to spend time in calculating the percentage decrease. That is also saved over here. Decrease in sum of total bill between September and October. So it is providing you the comparison between two consecutive months. Okay, now I mean the month which you just chose and month before that. Okay, now what you see, what is exactly the reason of this fall by 35.49%? It shows home and lifestyle, followed by electronic accessories and fashion and little bit of other. Okay, because of this kind of fall is happening. No, home and lifestyle, electronic accessories, and fashion and beauty. Sorry, fashion accessories and electronic accessories. So these are the three product segment. Because of this fall has happened. Now what is this city which has caused this fall or decrease? So that you can see in this one. You'll see over here, that can be found over here as well. This is the city which has caused this fall. So these two cities couldn't perform well, so that's why you got this fall. All right, so this is how you can perform this kind of analysis using artificial intelligence. It simplifies your work, isn't it? Now if you want to check for another one, this is the highest one, then again you just right click on that and go in this and just check it out. Okay, so here it is showing that here is the analysis of 13% increase of the in sum of total bill, right? So here what it says, home and lifestyle accounted for this. So you see over here, home and lifestyle and the fashion accessories has helped in the increase, right? And the city which has helped is Mandalay. Okay, so this is how you can have the analysis. Now if you want to compare any any set of columns or any set of months, that you can also do. For example, I want to compare the highest one with the lowest one, right? So just click this. Let me just do this again. Just click this, press and hold the control key from your keyboard, and then click on the second column. Okay, right click, analyze and explain this. Okay, now if you see here, it says that here is the analysis of 43.10% decrease in sum of total bill between April and October, right? So here's the reason by product line. These are the product lines which you see in red. Those are something which are causing the decrease. And the cities, if you want to see it by city, then these are the city which is causing the this kind of challenge. Now if you want to add it in your visualization, just click this and that will be available into your visualization. Just let me remove it, and here we have that. Just what I can do is I can do a little bit of adjustment, and let's move it over here, and here is the other graph you have. So you see how quickly it simplifies your analytical work in doing a deep dive and finding the reason of any fall or spike in your visualization. So this is how you can use AI in BI. And if you want to learn more, just let me know into the comment section. I'll try to cover another part of this. And until then, happy learning. Wish you very all the best.